This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the rim and hub precisely. Measure the ERD in millimeters and write it down, then count the flange holes and measure the flange PCD or center-center distance. Next, measure flange to center and flange offset. These small numbers change spoke length significantly. Record the spoke pattern you'll use, for example 3x or 4x, because that affects the calculation. Once done, double-check each number, make sure to be exact, because a small error throws off the final length. You now plug numbers into the spoke length formula. Calculate the radial distances. ERD divided by 2 gives rim radius. Measure hub flange center-center to get flange radius. Then use the cosine rule with the spoke crossing angle based on your chosen pattern. If doing it by hand, compute squared terms and the intermediate leg lengths. If using a calculator, enter ERD, flange radii, and hole count to get length. Once done, round to the nearest millimeter and note spoke type required. You finish by selecting spokes to the nearest millimeter and ordering the correct head and gauge. When building, start with spokes lightly threaded, then bring tension up gradually while centering the rim, use even turns and check true frequently. If spokes prove too long or short, don't force them. Remeasure ERD and flange offset, verify crossing pattern, and confirm hole count, then recalc. One key troubleshooting tip. If lengths vary by more than 1 millimeter, recheck every measurement and the assumed pattern before cutting or buying more spokes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.